Hi guys, so I'm here today to show you guys something we often don't pay much attention to. So here's presenting the Crompton Aqua Gold Residential Water Pump. So here I am, about to unbox this beauty and tell you everything about it. So in the box you'll find this beast of a motor pump and a warranty card with it. Crompton Aqua Gold has a wide range of applications in areas like residential bungalows, garages, flats, hotels, laundries, clubs, hospitals, etc. It is also very much suitable for ornamental fountains, water feeding in solar system, lawn sprinklers, gardening and booster applications. Now coming to the technical specifications of this water pump. Aqua Gold 100 has 1 HP motor and operates at 0.75 kW, and Aqua Gold 150 also has a 1 HP motor which operates at 0.75 kW. The max head, that is the height it can lift the water, is up to 33 meters for Aqua Gold 100 and 45 meters for Aqua Gold 150. The flow rate for Aqua Gold 100 is 1950 liters per hour and Aqua Gold 150 is 3360 liters per hour. These pumps work efficiently at a wide voltage range from 180 to 260 volts and rated frequency is 50 Hz. The Aqua Gold is loaded with features like high suction capacity. The pump is equipped with instant suction up to an 8 meters suction lift. It also comes with a high-grade brass impeller that makes the pump last for longer than average pumps available. The high-grade stainless steel parts also make sure of the durability and strength of the product. And the best part is that the maintenance of this pump is super easy. The simple and sturdy construction makes sure that the cleaning process can be done easily, and to top it all, they even offer a 12-month warranty. So the next time you're looking for an extremely functional and reliable solution, Crompton's got your back.